Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by draining a 50 can of chickpeas and reserving about 1/4 cup of the aquafaba. This liquid helps control texture, so keep it. Rinse the beans thoroughly to remove canning brine, and if you want ultra-smooth hummus, pinch off a few loose skins. This small step reduces grit. Once done, collect your measured 2 tablespoon tahini, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1 clove garlic so you can feed them straight into the blender next. You begin by pulsing the garlic, tahini, and lemon juice until they form a creamy emulsion. This step builds flavor and prevents graininess. Once combined, add the chickpeas in 2 batches so the motor moves freely. Stop to scrape the bowl and add aquafaba 1 tablespoon at a time to reach your desired creaminess. Make sure to blend 45 to 90 seconds on high for silky results. Then season with 1/2 tsp salt and a pinch of cumin, tasting and adjusting as you go. You finish by transferring hummus to a serving dish, drizzling 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and sprinkling paprika and chopped parsley for brightness. Once done, chilling for 30 minutes helps flavors meld, though you can serve at room temperature instantly. If the texture is grainy, make sure to blitz for an extra 20 to 40 seconds while adding 1 tablespoon of reserved aquafaba or a teaspoon of olive oil. This smooths and emulsifies the mix. Taste.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.